Hey, it's Mr. Allred, and we're going to simplify or evaluate or calculate logarithms using our calculator. I've got up here, we're going to round our answers to 4 decimal places. So the main exercise here is making sure you're using your calculator correctly. So A is log of 435. So that's understood to be the base 10. So if you put that in your calculator, you should get about 2.638 Okay. B, log of 25, once again understood to be base 10, so most of our calculators do that. The answer I'm getting, 1.3979. If at any point you're not getting the same thing, investigate and contact me and let me know if you need help. C is the natural log of 93. Natural log is base E. Most people have a calculator that will do natural logs. It'll give you 4.5326. D is the natural log of 584. So that's once again base E. So 6.3699. So most people have one button on their calculator that will do log base 10, like A and B, and log base E for natural log with like C and D. Some people have what we need to do the rest of these, but if not, we have a formula. So E is log base 4 of 97. So if your calculator won't do base 4, you can use the change of base formula, which is the log of 97 over the log of 4. And let's see what that gives me in the calculator. So pay close attention to what you're doing, because you can mess it up pretty easy. I get about 3.299. Well, I'm going to have to round that up to 3.3 based off all those 9s. So let's do some erasing. Yep, it looks like it'll be about 3.3 if I actually round. The next one, F. Log base 40 of 3. Your calculator probably doesn't care too much for base 40, so we're going to convert that to log 3 over log 40 using the change of base. So these are both base 10 now. So my calculator tells me that is 0.2978. And the last one, log base 21 of 56. Change that to log 56 over log 21. And if you're not getting the same thing I'm getting, as I said, investigate and ask. It's important. Sometimes I'll make a mistake here, and it'd be good to know that there's one here if you find one. But otherwise, it's good to get you on the right track. But that one gives me a 1.3222. All right. Hopefully you got the same thing I did, and hopefully that was easy. Thank you.